How to create a dashboard in ClickUp. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own dashboard in ClickUp. Dashboards are very useful because they allow you to track many different things in one place, such as tasks, time tracking, sprint progress, workloads, and more. So basically, anything you want to monitor visually can be added to ClickUp dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you can log into your ClickUp account as usual. Once you are on the homepage, we will skip everything here and go straight to the dashboard. You can go to your website and then click more here and you will find dashboard here. You can click it and then you will see several dashboard templates such as task management, AI team center, time tracking, project management, AI personal center, and you can also start from scratch. Keep in mind that templates labeled as a business require a business plan. If you are on the free plan, you can still use the basic templates or start from scratch. You may also start a free trial if you want access to a business features. For this tutorial, we will use task management template. You can click on it and then you can choose the location where you want to visualize the data. I'm gonna choose team space here and then you can click create dashboard. Now your dashboard is created. Because we use a template, ClickUp automatically edit several cards. Cards are the building blocks of a dashboard, and each card tracks something specific, such as task status, workload, and progress charge. As you can see, there is in progress status, workload by status, open task by assignee, and then total task by assignee, also task completed the week this week. So this is the card, you can modify any card or add any card. If you want to add card, you can just click add card here. And then as you can see, there is some features. AI brand, task list, workload by status. We already have it. And then, yeah, there are a lot of option here. Let's say I'm gonna add one more, maybe AI brand. Oops, maybe time reporting. So I'm gonna start free trial. So basically, not all the card you can use. You have to do some free trial. So maybe I don't want to edit. Maybe I will add another, another uh, template option. Maybe it's all business. So if if it labeled as a business, you can add a template without have a free trial or upgrade to business plan. Maybe time tracking, all the business, or maybe table. I'm gonna add offer the task here. And yeah, this is my offer the task. Can just choose the location, team space, and then for the show task location. And yeah, I can just click add card here. This is the preview. You can click add card here and it's done. You have created your offer the task. So yeah, you can explore more about the dashboard. So basically you can monitor all of your things. I mean all the things you have on the ClickUp. So it's gonna be very easy to you. It's gonna be easier to you to monitor it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.